Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to Tangem wallet. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about how to transfer crypto, you have to open the Tangem app, then select the coin by tap on the receive button, then copy the receive address. Then after that, you have to open the Robinhood app. So go to the crypto you want to send. For example, you can pick from the list of crypto options like BTC, ETC, and Solana. Then tap send. Now paste the Tangem address into the recipient field. Then double check the address. Verify the first letter with few character match. Then make sure the network shown match the coin. Like if it is Solana, if it is SOL, then you have to pick the Solana network. Then if it is ETH, you have to make sure it's on Ethereum. Then you can also send a small test amount, like you can send a very tiny amount just to confirm that. So once the test arrive in the Tangem wallet, then it's okay. Then you can now send the remaining balance. So save the transaction ID, the screenshot until the transfer is complete. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.